5 Best Cordless Wet Dry Vacuum Reviews. Number 1. DEWALT 18/20 of a volt max vacuum top pick. Getting the best cordless vacuum that works both in wet and dry conditions is not a facile task. Our experts analyzed many tools, and finally, they got this best deal: DEWALT 1820 volts max vacuum. The sweet part of this tool is it comes with a 20V battery to generate strong suction and airflow. Besides, the 2-gallon tank capacity offers sufficient storage for cleaning a clogged pipe or a toilet. Therefore, the onboard accessory storage lets you roll it around your space and clean the area where you need it. It is the best cordless vacuum for those who look for a long battery life, easy to use, and a vac that clean both wet and dry materials flawlessly years after years. Number 2. Makita 18 volts Lithium-Ion Dust-Extractor runner-up. Makita 18V Dust-Extractor is another best cordless wet dry vacuum on this list. Comparing it with the top pick, the only lack we found of this vac is the washable filter. Otherwise, it has got almost every feature to ensure the ultimate cleaning efficiency. The great feature of it is coming with long battery life and 60 minutes of running time. Besides, the filter cleaning system of the vac ensures suction efficiency as well as continued filter life. Makita cordless vacuum will be a perfect choice for those who are looking for a long battery life while ensuring the ultimate cleaning performance. The standpoint of Makita XCV11Z is with BL brushless motor. With an 18 volts LXT lithium-ion battery, this powerful motor delivers 57 CFM and 27 inches water lift of suction. Number 3. Milwaukee 18-volt Cordless Vacuum Best Cordless. Milwaukee 18-volt Cordless Vacuum is another vacuum on this list we ranked as the best cordless for its better suction efficiency and built-in blower port. When we scrutinize its features, we found it comes with a compact toolbox design with onboard storage. For that, it will be convenient for you to roll it around and clean every inch of your room or workspace. In terms of cleaning, this vac comes with an 18V battery that produces enough airflow and suction to wash out dirt, debris, and other small messes. It will be the best choice for those who look for a convenient alternative to corded shop vac for easy-to-use and portable wet-dry vacuum. Number 4. DEWALT DC515B 18V Cordless Best Dust Extractor. In terms of extracting dust, finding a suitable cordless wet dry vac is a little bit overwhelming. We looked for many options and, at last, picked this one, DEWALT DC515B 18V Cordless Vac. The DEWALT cordless vacuum comes with a 1 to 2 gallon tank with a heavy-duty latch to make it easy to vacant and tidy. Besides, the Gore HEPA filter ensures to clean 99.97% of dust, either wet or dry, at 0.3 microns. Number 5. Ryobi 18V 1+6 gal. Cordless vacuum, best portable. When portability becomes the standpoint over cleaning, consider the Ryobi 18V 1+6 gal. Cordless vacuum might be your next go-to vac. It doesn't mean this vac sacrifices its cleaning ability. The Ryobi 18V 1+ vac comes with a powerful 80 CFM and a removal top to emptying dust, debris, and dirt efficiently. We ranked this wet-dry vacuum as the best portable vac on this list for its no-tip wheel design and multiple handles to carry it around. You can suck off every inch of your home or workspace by lugging it around with the help of handles.